Hi, welcome to week 2 of Subscription Slashing Saturday with Heather. I'm Heather. I am not an expert. This is not advice. This is a journey. Thank you for joining me. I hope you will every Saturday in June. We have too many subscriptions. How about you? You can use an app or pay for a service. But if you're anything like me, I'm pretty sure we can do this for free. Last week, we began by gathering everything we need. This is not an ad. This is not sponsored. I sat down to do this for myself and thought, what if I share it with you? It brings me joy to share on here, and I made the printables too. They're linked in the description. I am a mom, I am a wife, I work, I craft, and my budget is getting tighter. Armed with some paper and a pen, let's get ready to slash some subscription services we don't need. In week 1, we had to gather everything we need. I made the calendar. I made the subscriptions list. And this week, I want to know your top 3s. I totally assigned homework last week, and that was gathering and just going through each account, find what the subscription service is, what does it cost, and what day does it come out. So this week, we are going to rank them. We are going to organize by prioritizing. Our top 3 for productivity. What do we use to create with? What do we use that works for us? What tools are you paying for that actually give you a benefit once you're done using their service? Which are the most fun? Which are you absolutely not willing to get rid of? They bring you joy. The top 3. And then finally, I want to know, what are your top 3? What is this? What am I paying for? Why is this on here? Because we're going to have some, and I already do. Week 1 was live. Week 2 is pre-recorded because when you see this, I'll be working. I have to work 6 days in a row, 1 Saturday every month. It's brutal. And with them cutting bonus, with the budget having to tighten here, I'm going to do my best, and I need your help to stay super positive. So that is honestly what Subscription Slashing Saturday is all about. So thank you for being here with me, Heather. I hope you do join me. Let's do this together. Leave a comment. Where are you at? Are you ahead of us? Is this silly? Do you think I'm ridiculous? Anything. I'm open. I'm all ears. I am hopeful. I feel like right now I've already found $25 I can live without giving away. I want to hear from you. Have you found anything yet? Are you going to jump in with us too? Will you join us right back here next Saturday, the 15th? I hope so. If you download the calendar, subscription slashing Saturdays are blue. And if you're new, Sunday morning lives are pink. I go live every Sunday morning live. We craft, we chat. Fridays are 40s faced. I'm 42, 43, 43. Oh my gosh, I'm 43. Ah! Skincare is important to me. Looking my best is important to me because it makes me feel better about myself. And when I feel better about myself, I'm a better person. So I hope you join me on these journeys. Thank you for being here. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Have a great week.